Hello, good evening, everyone. In this pandemic situations, all are in head movement. I wish great to all. Today, I am going to introducing about wetlands. I hope it will a great sessions to all through these hard conditions. Do you know biodiversity is most important subject to our environment, and wetlands is associated with biodiversity. Yes, this is true. So this session is going so more enjoyable. So please keep watch and listen. Wetlands are areas where water covers the soil or it present either at or near the surface of the soil all year or for varying periods of time during the year, including during growing seasons. Wetland may support both aquatic and terrestrial species. This is the definitions of wetlands. Wetlands functions corrections potentially wetland functions for assessments. There are two types of functions, physical and biological functions, or other side is habitat functions. Surface water distensions, stream for follow maintenance, energy dissipations, groundwater recharge, shorelines stabilizations, nutrition transportations, carbon sequences, sedimentations, and particular retentions. All are the physical and biological functions. On the other hand, fish habitat, aquatic inhabitat, waterfowl habitat, water birds habitat, amphibians habitats, other worlds, lives habitat, conservation of biodiversity, also habitat functions. Habitat and biodiversity, natural tourism, recreations, hunting and fishing revenues. Nutrients regulations, reduce water purification cost, salts and sedimentations regulations, disturbance and natural hazard regulations, cultural values and aestheticals, water supply and food productions, all the services of wetlands that provides from wetlands. Improved water quality or wetlands can interrupted runoff from surface prior to reaching open water and remove pollutants through physical, chemical and biological process. That's the benefits of wetlands, such as erosion controls, flood amendments, habitat enhancements, water supply, recreations, partnerships, educations. Wetlands distributions and classifications in Bangladesh. Bangladesh currently has two sites designed as wetlands of international importance. One side is Ramsar site. It is one of the Bangladesh largest, and the other side is one of Asian largest mast wetland resources Hakaluki Hawar, with a surface area of 6,11,200 hectares. Some important wetlands of the country are Chalon Bills, Atrai Basin, Lower Punarbaha Floodplain, Gopalganj Khulna Bills, Ariel Bills, and Surma Kushiara Floodplain. They are economically and commercially important and values in Bangladesh. Biodiversity is the shortened form of the words biological and biodiversity. It refers to all the variety of lives that can be found on Earth, plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, as well as to the communities that they forms and the habitat in which they live. Wetlands have been called biological supersystems because they produced great volumes of food that support a remarkable level of biodiversity in terms of number and variety of species supported. There are a rich rainforest and coal reefs. All are the wetlands of biodiversity. That is called the biodiversity. Why are the wetlands important for biodiversity? Wetlands are highly produced and biologically diverse systems that enhance water quality, control erosions, maintenance system, follow squares, carbons, and provides a homes to at least 1/3 of the threatened and endangered species. Wetlands are important because they are improved water quality, provide wildlife habitat. The economic benefits of wetlands are numerous as well. Improve water quality, food control, wildlife and fisheries habitat, and recreation opportunities are just a few economic benefits that a wetland provides. On the other hand, wetlands provide many social benefits, foods and habitat or fish and wildlife, including threatened and endangered species, water quality improvement, flood storage, shoreline erosion control, economically benefits and natural products for human use and opportunity for recreation, education and research. Common wetland restorations or rehabilitation techniques. Wetland restorations is the manipulations of a forms or degraded wetlands physical, chemicals or biological characteristics to return its natural functions. Restoration practice includes rehabilitations repair the functions of degraded wetlands, such as backfill dishes are usually degraded through wetlands to promote irrigation and move water. Construct barns, control weeds, excavations, install water control structure, reconnect floodplain and restoring backwater channel and bends, remove curves, remove titles. I think that is the best common wetland restoration or rehabilitation techniques, and we have to flow if we want to rehabilitations or restorations the wetlands soon. So we have to mention all of the descriptions. Environment and human both are depends to each other, so we have to conscious about them properly. Thanks to being with me for a great sessions. Hope I will soon with the new sessions. Do well, do good.